Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by going into Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in Magic Fluids. Then install this free app from this developer and just open. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept. From the settings you can adjust your wallpaper however you wish to, and tap at the top right corner. Then bottom one again, but this time select it as live wallpaper, choose set wallpaper and decide if you wish to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of those options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!